Happy Election Day. Good Tuesday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. We have a beautiful, beautiful day in store for us already. You can see how gorgeous it's looking. Not a cloud in the sky. Temperatures cruising nicely toward the 40s. And from here, we're not going to stop till they hit the top, as Casey Kasem would say. No, we're gonna do well. We're gonna hit the upper 60s later on. Some spots may hit 70 degrees as we move along into the afternoon, which for early November standards is just about the top of what we can expect. It's not far from record territory. 75, one of the warmest days in our November history. That was the record for today. So that's a hard one to reach. We're not going to get there. That was on Election Day, but 2008. Remember that election? That was a few years ago. But anyway, we're looking at temperatures today in the upper 60s, which is in itself 20 degrees above the seasonal average, and just a phenomenal day in store. And it really makes up for what we had for a couple of weeks there going into this week, that cold weather spell. This really is kind of nice for us. But 39 degrees Rochester is just a few minutes before 9 o'clock on this Tuesday morning. And again, we're looking at sunshine throughout the day. 68 the expected high temperature later on, which again is incredibly balmy. Winds southwest 10 to 20, gusting maybe as high as 25 miles per hour at times. Sunset 4:57, even in the evening. If you're thinking I'm going to go to the polls, it might be getting dark. Still going to be in the 40s and 50s after sunset, which and with less of a breeze too. So the wind chill impact not an issue there, and it really does look pretty nice all throughout the day. Tranquil weather, most importantly, but also very comfortable weather. 39 in Rochester right now. South winds 11 miles per hour. Give it another couple of hours, those winds will begin to pick up and gust beyond 20 miles per hour, ushering more of that warm air from the southern part of the Midwest and the lower Mississippi Valley. Air pressure falling 30.00 inches of mercury, 32 the current wind chill in Rochester just before 9 o'clock. 39 in the Med City. Most other spots warmer than that. Already 53 in Mason City, 45 La Crosse, 48 in Dodge Center. And here's what's going on the surface map. High pressure to our south. It's blowing those southwesterly winds around it into the area. All the energy, all the storm track mainly well north of us. So all the cold air bottled up north. Of course, the jet stream is now locked up into southern Canada as well. Future track for the rest of today, a bit of a southwest breeze up to 20 miles per hour. Light breeze tonight. Temperatures in the 40s for overnight lows, but the evening temperatures, again, before we get to the overnight hours, still upper 40s to mid 50s. So some great weather there this evening. Tomorrow, a lighter westerly southwest wind, and then a weak front moves through. See the band of clouds with it. That's it. Not much more than that for Thursday. Light breeze, maybe drop a degree or two from that, but still mid and upper 60s for Thursday, and then Friday, a breezier, warmer day with a shot at upper 60s again. That is. Here's that jet stream all the way north of us, but here comes a change. Big trough developing to the west. This is for Saturday. By Sunday, that trough begins to come in, and at the surface level, this is upper level winds. Surface level, a cold front comes in and brings us a chance of showers. After that, the front moves on to the east, and we'll have a cold snap starting next Monday. And we have that colder air showing up. This is the Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14 day outlook starting next Tuesday, lasting into the following weekend. It does look cold, or at least seasonally chilly, not nearly as warm as this week. Temperatures actually running maybe a few degrees below the seasonal average for much of next week. But today, about 20 degrees above the seasonal average. 68 in Rochester, Austin 70, 71 Mason City, 68 in Preston. Winds southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we're going to enjoy a quiet night, peaceful with a lighter southwest breeze. Lows around 43. And for tomorrow, sunny skies, 68, warm and pleasant again, but a lighter southwest wind, not quite as breezy as today. And then there's a handful of clouds on Thursday with upper 60s, and then Friday, Saturday, breezier with some gathering clouds, certainly by Saturday. Sunday, a windy day with a chance of light showers, but still about 60, just ahead of that cold front's arrival. Here's the 7-day outlook. We look at the weekend. It's still fairly mild, but breezy. And then we have showers Sunday. By Monday, a little bit of snow mixes in with those rain showers, but no accumulation necessarily. Monday, there is a chance that we could see some minor accumulation if some of that those temperatures stay slightly below freezing Tuesday morning, as that rain changes to snow for a time. Could be some minor accumulation. That's a week away. More than likely right now, it does not look like a big weather maker for us at this point, though. 30s and 40s next week, a little more seasonable, if not colder than average, in the long term for next week. So we go back to reality, back to November with this weather. But today's weather, much more early October-like or late September-like, with these upper 60s, and in some cases maybe some low 70s. Meantime, have a safe and enjoyable election day. We'll see you back here tomorrow for Wednesday. Have a great one, everybody.